Factor by grouping. Number 7 wants us to factor. Let's take a closer look at it. To factor by grouping, I need to put two sets of parentheses around the first two terms and the second two terms. Then I take out a GCF of those terms. So the GCF of the first two terms is C. GCF of the second two terms is 9. Now, between these, there is a GCF of C plus 5. I factor that out, and I'm left with C plus 9. So C plus 5 times C plus 9 is my answer. So let's put that in. So parentheses, C plus 5 and C plus 9. And that's number 7. Going back to number 5, it wants you to factor by grouping to obtain the difference of two squares, and then to factor it completely. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do in this case is put parentheses around the first three terms because that's a perfect square trinomial. So I can factor that by taking the square root of 49, which is 7, and seeing that the two numbers must add up to be negative, so negative 7. So it will be x minus 7 squared, which is a simpler way to say x minus 7 times x minus 7. Now remember the rule for the difference of squares, a squared minus b squared. Take the square root of both of them, a and b, and make it opposite signs. So x minus 7 is a and y is b. So I'll have x minus 7 minus y and x minus 7 plus y. So this would be my answer. So let's type it in. So I'm typing in x minus 7 minus y and x minus 7 plus y. And that's number 5.